Hi mga kadala-dalan! Welcome to my channel. Fresh ng girl night! Mga kineto. Cooking show natin, and thank you so much for watching this video. Charit. Mga kadala-darling. Hi mga kadala-darling! Good morning. So, tignan nyo naman ang sarap ng morning ko kapag ganito naman talaga. Oh, look! That's a real morning. So, yeah. For today's video is a very special. I told you nga na naka-live ako. At bago ko pumunta dito sa Manila is may pa-surprise na pagpunta ko. Then may pa-surprise yung tita ko. At may pupunta kami. At nandito nga kami ngayon sa isang staycation Kinembolar. Dito yan sa Tagaytay. Kasama ang aking bigote. Charot. Ngayon bigote. Maging lalaki na lang. So, yes. So, yan. For today's video, magluluto tayo ng masarap na sinigang at mag-ihaw tayo ng liempo. Oh my God, I'm so excited. First time ko magluluto ng sinigang sa video. And also, first time ko din na mag-ihaw-ihaw. So, ang struggle natin ito ay kung paano natin papadingasin yung uling. Kasabay ng lagpas-lagpas kong lipstick. Kasi madalian. So, tara-tara-tara, samahan niyo ko sa journey ko sa pagluluto at sa mga activities natin dito. I'm so happy and excited! Charit. So, ayun na nga mga kadala-dali, maghihiwa-hiwa na tayo ng sibuyas, ng, ano to? Tomato. What is this, Cheers? Tomato? Am I right? Okay. No, tomato. And this is kangkong. You know this? Kangkong. What is it in English? Spinach. Spinach too. Kangkong. Spinach too. Ano English nito? Spinach too. Di ba kangkong yung spinach? I think it's spinach. And then we have our silip. So as you can see, ang ginagawa ko kasi pagluluto is kapag nagluto ko ng sinigang, pinapakuluan ko siya. Then for today's video, ibang way ng pagluluto ng sinigang gagawin natin, igigisa natin ang sinigang. Yan. First time kong gawin to Oh my God, tita. Ano pa ba? So that's my tita. Nagpapagawa siya kay Negra sa pinsang kong sex bomb dancer. Gusto ko ng jaka. So yan, hihiwain lang natin to. Yan, ganyan. And then, hiwa lang ng hiwa. And then, Charisse, my cousin, will be helping me cooking today, right? You will help me. Alright, good. And then, Huwag na nga mag-English. Makikita niyo siya mamaya. No, ubos yung ano ko. Ano ba? Ayaw nga magpakita. Kasi kamukha niya yung lola ko. Kamukha niya yung lola ko. Kasi mama niya yun. Ano maging kamukha niya yung kapitbahay namin? Iba na yun. Saan natulog yung lolo ko nun? Tumawid. Ay, may tumatawag. Sa telepono. May tumatawag. Sige na, answer kita. Okay na to. You wanna know how to cut? Lalay, as we sit down here. Please all welcome my cousin Charisse. I'll just hold it here.
You have to peel it?
Yeah, no. You have to cut the end. No, not like that. You sit down. Come on.
Wait, it's like the seat's gonna be wet.
Okay, and then after that, the other side.
Back up this one?
Yeah. So try it for okay, put it down for safety.
Oh, wait.
And then you have to remove it. You have to peel it. And say hi to them.
Hi.
Hi, darling. Say it.
Nice.
Let's say hi, darling.
Hi, darling.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, just you have to peel that. Yeah.
Not this one?
I think it's your nails here. Then after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it here in the middle. Careful. You want to know how to cook, right? Yeah. Careful. Yeah, perfect. That's right. And then you have to cut it in the middle again. Here. And the other one. Right, you're amazing. You're doing good. And then here,
Oh.
you have to cut it into 3. Slant.
So I cut this.
No, like that. Slant. Like this.
Oh. So only
A
3.
little bigger like this. Yeah. 1. And then there. Okay. Yeah, that's good. And then you have to take that one out. Okay, that's perfect. And then here. All of it. Do the same thing you're doing. You're doing a great job.
Yep.
Yeah. And then again, you have to
What about
take this off. The kanto. Ano ba yung kanto? Mapagod ako. Hinihingal ako mag-English. And then here, in the middle only.
Can I cut this one?
Yeah, you can.
I want this one.
Okay, that's perfect. And then here, you have to cut it into 3 as well. And then you can remove that first if you want. Okay, that's nice. Okay, that's perfect. And then, okay. And then this one.
Oh.
It's okay. The last one. Okay, that's fine. Just leave it there. Okay, good. You're doing great. Okay, perfect. And then you are later, when I already finish with everything, you will be the one that will be sauteing the pork, okay? Okay, please have to say goodbye to them now.
Bye. Turn it off.
Ikaw, di ba? Magkamukha kami. Look. We're look-alike. Because we're cousin. No, we're not. We are. When you were there, over there, you said we're look-alike. Hindi ko na. So, sunod na yung kangkong. Ayan. And then, my sister, on my father's side, will be helping us with this. O, ikaw magtanggal yan. Kaya ito yung niluto namin kasi this is Cherry's favorite food, sinigang, right? Alam nyo ba na kumakain siya ng okra? Kumakain siya ng okra, ng tuyo. Nung bata siya, I remember, nung 9 months pa lang siya, kumakain siya ng okra. Tapos kumain siya ng balot. At gusto niya ang balot. Okay. Kaya look, mahiya tayong hindi kumakain ng okra. Lolo, I need the sitaw.
The
Dalawang...
sheet's wet.
What?
The sheet's wet.
What? Yung sinasabi nito, kausapin niyo nga ito. Bagod na ako. Sitaw, lolo, 2 tali. Thank you. And then, alright mga kadala-daling, tapos na tayo mag-iwa with the help of my cousin Cherries. Again, ang pretty-pretty. Oh, magkamukha talaga kami. So, yun na. So, what I'm gonna do na is, aayusin ko rin yung paglulutuan niya at siyang magigisa ng ating baboy at ng ating sibuyas kinembular. Ibang way to ng pagluluto at sana maging bongga. Okay? So, bye mga kadala-daling. Samahan niyo kami sa journey namin ng pagluluto ng cousin ko. Ang arte! Cousin ko. Alright, bye. Bye, say bye, Cherries. Bye! po. Ay, niluluto na natin yung sinigang. At as I said earlier, si Charisse ang magluluto ng sinigang. Okay. So, i-ready ko lang. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng mantika. Perfect. And then, Charisse, come here. Come here. Follow me with this. Perfect. Charisse. Alright, so, I'm gonna start cooking na with Charisse because Charisse really wants to know how to cook. So, I really told her, I promised her tomorrow na when she wake up, we're going to start cooking. Okay, you can put that on, Charisse. Like, perfect. And then, that one. So, yeah, you just have to split. Okay, you just have to wait. Okay, you got it. Very happy that you're learning how to cook your favorite food na. You have to see when the tomato is already cooked, when it's already getting white. You know? Okay. Naubos na yung English ko. The English is only limited. Just keep on doing that. Hold this place so that people can see you. With your beautiful, beautiful, beautiful white shirt fabric. What? Hindi ba tinatarayan ako?
I look like
No. She said she looked like Lana and she's more beautiful daw. No, I'm more beautifuler. Fuller? Superfood? What?
It smells like something on there.
What? Smells like what? Okay, and then after that, I think it's already fine. We're going to put the pork. You have to get it.
You know,
No, you have to.
I don't like
That's how Filipino cook. Yeah.
No, I don't
No,
like
you just have to do like this.
I
Like
don't like
that.
chicken.
It's okay. Just wash your hands. And then you just have to stir.
I know when it's ready.
But
I know when it's
later, I will tell you when it's ready. But just look at the camera so that they can see it. And then tell them, how's your vacation so far in the Philippines?
good.
It's good? What is your favorite place that you want while we're here? It's gonna hit. Okay. So, pindig mo lang tayo. So anyways, what's your favorite place here in the Philippines?
Here.
Here. I like this place. Better than Boracay?
Don't put on a bed bug.
Ah, you have bed bugs. You don't like bed bugs? You don't like bugs? So you're gonna cook sinigang when you go back to Australia na? Okay. So now that you're stirring it, so I'm gonna put an amount of, it's called fish sauce.
Oh yeah, no.
Just 2 cups.
Then you have to add lemon.
Right?
Then you have to add
We don't use lemon. We use calamansi. Say calamansi. Yeah.
What's that?
It's like a little lemon.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah, calamansi. But we don't use that in sinigang. No, we don't.
Baka
Because we're gonna be
nilagay yung
using
sinasabi.
tamarind.
Then you have to add powder in it.
We're gonna add some magic syrup. Say magic syrup.
What?
Magic syrup.
Magic syrup.
Yeah. It is like the very known. Yeah, this one. Okay. So you're just gonna put 1 packet.
Oh, you have to add it in there.
No. Okay. I like that. Ngayon bang mag-use mo pag na ako mag-use? Sana ako na lang pala nagluto. Para mabilis lang to. Okay, yeah, just like that. And then after that, when you see that the magic words already dissolved, you just have to place them in the middle. And then just leave it.
Face one.
Yeah, all the meat, like this, actually. Just cut it like this. And then you just have to wait until it's already good. Until it, basta maluluto. Basta maluluto. Until it's near to luto. To cook.
Sad.
Cook.
Ano ko na?
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna load the heat, load the fire. So we're just going to wait, and then we're gonna put a lid. Yes, the big one. Put it here. It's so hot.
Right now.
Yes. Okay. Alright, perfect. So ayun naman kadala-dali na takpan na namin. Di ba naubos yung English ko? So babalikan namin kayo kapag medyo paluto na ang sinigang na ginisa. And then baka ako na lang napapagod na ako mag-English. So ubos na ako. So say bye to them na.
Bye.
Bye, darling. So yung mababalik. Babalik.
Sad.
And means we're gonna be, we will be right back.
Bye.
Kami, mamaya.
Bye.
Yeah, babalik kami mamaya. We'll be right back. Babalik kami mamaya.
We'll be right back.
Babalik kami mamaya.
Mama. Mama. I don't know.
You can. Babalik
Mama.
kami mamaya. Paalam. Say
Bye.
Alright, bye, darling. I'll later na. Mga kadala-daling, nalagyan ko na ng tubig ang ating sinigang. Look, boosh. So, hintayin na natin lang siya kumulo. Tatakpan natin siya. Then, pagkulo niya, we're gonna start putting the vegetables or yung pangpaasim muna. So, I know it. Ha? I know it. Ubus na yung English ko. Yoko na nga mag-English. Alright, babalik ako na lang kayo pag paluto na siya. Love ya. Kadala-daling nila dito ng pampaasim at malambot na ang ating baboy. So, ilalagay na natin ang mga gulay. So, lalagyan na natin siya ng sitaw. Ayan, nalagay na natin yung sitaw. Nag-ranch kasi yung cut down na sagasaan. So, hintayin lang natin siyang kumulo. At nilagay natin ang sitaw at ilalagay na natin ang ating pechay, ang ating kangkong. Ayun mga kadala-dali, yun ang update. Tayo na nga mga kadala-dali, we already finished our sinigang. Boosh! Ayan. So, luto na ang sinigang natin. And it's time to cook fried fish. Samahan niyo ako magprito ng isda. Pati isda, sasamahan niyo ako. Lahat na lang, charet! Ay, mga kadala-daling abangan niyo ako magluto ng fish. Love ya! Ano ba yun? Ano na naman yun? Silip-silip na naman. Ha? Bakit? Ay, mga dali. Ay, maldita siya. Ay, maldita ka.